everyone, welcome to Property Cloud. I'm Roshni and today we'll discuss about the Lodha's most exclusive development which is coming soon to Hinjewadi Phase 3 Pune, a premium lifestyle destination where luxury meets smart design. So in this project, we will discuss about project overview, location advantages, amenities, pricing, booking offers and much more. So let's start with a quick overview of the project. Lodha Group has introduced its grand residential development in Hinjewadi Phase 3 located on MIDC Phase 3 near Megapolis Circle, and this project is spread across 15 acres of land parcel with only 4 units per floor, ensuring exclusivity, privacy and space. It's just 5 minutes walk from the upcoming metro station, offering smooth connectivity to every part of Pune. The neighborhood is surrounded by top IT companies, schools and business hubs, giving you the perfect balance of work, lifestyle and convenience. Moving on to amenities, this development features thoughtfully curated amenities such as a 30,000 square feet lavish clubhouse with premium fitness and wellness zones, a world-class gym, a multi-purpose sports lawn and kids play area, a grand entrance lobby, 5-star Lodha hospitality services for a premium lifestyle, 5 acres of serene open podium spaces and 22 feet wide terrace-like decks and select residences for a luxurious outdoor experience. And let's talk about pricing and configuration. 2 BHK apartment with a carpet area starting from 800 square feet, price starting from 1.10 crore onwards. 2.5 BHK apartment with a carpet area starting from 900 square feet, price starting from 1.35 crore onwards. 3 BHK apartment with a carpet area starting from 1100 square feet, price starting from 1.75 crore onwards, and the 3.5 BHK apartment with a carpet area starting from 1300 square feet, price starting from 2.20 crore onwards. And the booking process of this project is based on EOI system. So the EOI amount for 2 BHK is 1,80,000. For 2.5 BHK, it's 1,80,000, and for 3 BHK, it's 2,70,000, and for 3.5 BHK, it's 2,70,000. And finally, let's talk about the developer behind this project. So this project is being developed by the Lodha Group, which is India's most trusted and the prestigious real estate brand, which is known for its world-class architecture, luxury designs, and timely delivery. Property Cloud is a PropTech company which directly connects you with the developers for simplifying your home buying process. It also gives you benefits like spot discounts, zero brokerage, free pickup and drop services, and much more. If you like this video and want to know more about this project, do click on the link below so we will connect you in the further process. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more property updates.